Respect is a fundamental human need. We all crave to be seen, heard, and valued. But respect is not something that is simply given to us. It is something that we earn. Buddhism teaches us that the key to earning the respect of others is to first learn to respect ourselves. This means cultivating self-awareness, self-compassion, and self-discipline. It also means letting go of the habits that hold us back from being our best selves. In the pursuit of a more fulfilling and harmonious life, we often seek ways to improve ourselves and our relationships with others. Buddhism, with its profound wisdom and teachings, offers valuable insights into the habits and behaviors that can hinder personal growth and prevent us from earning the respect and admiration of those around us. This Buddhist story delves into 6 common habits that, when left behind, can pave the way for earning respect, fostering positive relationships, and achieving personal transformation. Letting go of ego. One of the fundamental teachings of Buddhism is the importance of letting go of ego. Ego, often associated with a sense of self-importance and a need for recognition, can be a significant obstacle on the path to respect and contentment. In a small village nestled in the mountains, there lived a man named Raj who was known for his immense ego. He consistently boasted about his achievements, belittled others, and sought recognition for every good deed he performed. His arrogance and self-centeredness created a rift between him and the people of the village. They found it challenging to respect and admire someone who was always putting himself above others. Buddhism teaches us that ego-driven behavior can lead to suffering, both for the person harboring the ego and those around them. When Raj realized the loneliness and lack of respect he was experiencing, he decided to transform himself. He began practicing humility, showing genuine interest in others, and helping without seeking praise. Over time, the villagers noticed his change and started to respect him for his selflessness and kindness. Releasing the grasp on materialism. Materialism, the relentless pursuit of wealth and possessions, is another habit that Buddhism encourages us to release. In our modern world, the desire for material gain often takes precedence over our spiritual and emotional well-being. This behavior can strain relationships and hinder the respect we receive from others. In a bustling city, there lived a woman named Maya who was fixated on material wealth. She measured her success and the worth of others solely in terms of their possessions. Maya's obsession with materialism caused her to neglect her relationships and hurt the feelings of those who couldn't meet her standards of success. Maya's transformation began when she realized the hollowness of her materialistic pursuits. She started to prioritize human connection over material gain, fostering deep and meaningful relationships. Her shift in values was evident to those around her, and as a result, they began to respect her for her genuine kindness and empathy. Embracing truthfulness and honesty. Honesty and ethical behavior are core principles in Buddhism. The habit of dishonesty, deceit, and unethical actions can erode trust and respect in both our personal and professional lives. In a quiet village, there was a man known for his dishonesty. He frequently engaged in deceit, lied to others, and made unethical decisions for personal gain. His actions caused others to doubt his integrity, and respect for him dwindled. Realizing the damage his dishonesty was causing, he decided to embark on a journey of self-improvement. He began to practice honesty and ethical behavior in his interactions with others. Over time, he started rebuilding trust and forming more meaningful relationships based on integrity. His commitment to truthfulness earned him the respect of his peers, who saw the positive change in him. Cultivating open-mindedness. Buddhism encourages open-mindedness and a willingness to learn and grow. Being closed-minded and resistant to new ideas and perspectives can hinder personal development and prevent us from understanding the world around us. In a small monastery, there lived a monk known for his closed-mindedness. He held firmly to his beliefs and was reluctant to consider alternative viewpoints or new ideas. His rigidity made it challenging for him to connect with those who had different perspectives. Recognizing the limitations of his closed-mindedness, he decided to embrace a more open-minded approach. He actively sought out diverse perspectives and engaged in conversations with people who held different beliefs. This change in attitude allowed him to expand his horizons and develop a deeper understanding of the world and the people in it. His newfound open-mindedness garnered respect from his fellow monks, who admired his willingness to learn and grow. Overcoming jealousy and envy. Jealousy and envy are emotions that can poison our hearts and minds, leading to negativity and suffering. Buddhism teaches the importance of cultivating loving-kindness and compassion toward all beings. In a small village, there lived a woman who struggled with jealousy and envy. She couldn't help but feel resentment and ill will toward those who had achieved success or happiness. Her jealousy hindered her relationships and made it difficult for others to respect her. Her transformation began when she recognized the destructive nature of her jealousy and envy. She embarked on a journey to cultivate loving-kindness and compassion in her heart. She learned to celebrate the success and happiness of others rather than resenting them. As a result, her newfound compassion and positivity earned her the respect and admiration of her peers. Practicing kindness and compassion. One of the most fundamental teachings in Buddhism is the practice of kindness and compassion. Acts of kindness and a compassionate attitude toward all beings can lead to respect, love, and contentment. In a peaceful village, there lived a man known for his acts of kindness and compassion. He went out of his way to help those in need, whether it was a simple gesture or a grand act of generosity. His selflessness and compassion created a deep sense of respect and admiration from everyone he encountered. His life was a testament to the power of kindness and compassion. He understood that by practicing these qualities, he not only brought happiness to others, but also earned their respect and love. His actions served as a reminder that true transformation begins with the practice of kindness and compassion. In our continuous quest for personal growth, happiness, and the respect of those around us, Buddhism offers profound wisdom through these 6 habits. Letting go of ego, materialism, dishonesty, closed-mindedness, and jealousy, and embracing kindness and compassion can lead to a more fulfilling and respected life. As we navigate the complexities of human relationships, we find that these habits play a significant role in our own transformation and the way we are perceived by others. By releasing these negative habits and cultivating positive qualities, we can earn the respect, love, and admiration we seek, while also fostering a more harmonious and content life. The teachings of Buddhism serve as a guide on this transformative journey, reminding us that our actions and habits are instrumental in shaping our destinies and the quality of our relationships. As we let go of what holds us back and embrace what uplifts our spirits, we move closer to the path of inner peace, personal growth, and the respect of everyone we encounter. In the end, it is our commitment to positive change and our daily actions that truly define who we are and how we are regarded by the world. Be a good listener. When someone is talking to you, give them your full attention. Look them in the eye and nod your head to show that you are listening. Avoid interrupting or thinking about what you are going to say next. Instead, focus on understanding what the other person is saying and responding in a way that is thoughtful and respectful. Be honest and trustworthy. When you tell someone something, make sure that you are telling them the truth. Even if it is difficult news, it is always better to be honest. This will help you to build trust with others and to earn their respect. Be reliable and dependable. When you make a commitment, follow through on it. If you are unable to keep a commitment, let the other person know as soon as possible. This will show them that you respect their time and that you are someone they can count on. Be humble and modest. Avoid bragging about your accomplishments or putting others down. Instead, focus on the positive aspects of others and be grateful for what you have. This will show others that you are humble and that you have a good self-image. Be willing to admit when you are wrong. Everyone makes mistakes. When you make a mistake, be willing to admit it and apologize. This will show others that you are honest and humble. It will also show them that you are willing to learn from your mistakes. Be open to feedback and criticism. Even if you don't agree with feedback or criticism, be open to listening to it. This will show others that you are willing to learn and grow. It will also show them that you value their input. Be forgiving of others. Everyone makes mistakes. When someone makes a mistake, try to forgive them. This doesn't mean that you have to forget what they did, but it does mean that you are willing to let go of the anger and resentment. Forgiveness is a sign of strength and maturity. It is also a sign of respect. By following these, you can learn how to be respected by others according to Buddhism. Remember, respect is not something that you can demand. It is something that you earn through your actions and your character. By cultivating wisdom, compassion, integrity, selflessness, and forgiveness, you can become a person who is respected by others.